Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the mobile menu if it's not working on your Shopify theme. If customers tap the menu icon and nothing happens, the menu won't open, or the navigation looks broken on mobile devices, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by a theme setting, an app conflict, or a recent customization. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your current theme to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, click on the Header section from the left sidebar. This is where your navigation and mobile menu settings are managed. Make sure your main menu is assigned correctly under the navigation settings. If no menu is selected, choose your main menu from the dropdown, then save your changes and preview your store on a mobile-sized screen to see if the menu opens normally. If the menu is still not working, the next step is to check whether the issue is related to your theme or a recent customization. From Online Store, open another installed theme, such as the free Dawn theme if you have it available, and preview it on mobile. If the menu works correctly there, the problem is likely specific to your current theme or recent edits. Another common cause is an app conflict. Apps that add pop-ups, announcement bars, translation tools, or custom navigation can sometimes interfere with the mobile menu. If you recently installed one of these apps, temporarily disable it and test your storefront again. If the menu starts working after disabling the app, you've identified the source of the problem. It's also worth testing your store in an incognito window or a different mobile browser. Sometimes cached files or browser extensions can prevent updated theme files from loading correctly. Clearing your browser cache and reopening the store often resolves this type of issue. If you've recently edited your theme code, especially files like theme.liquid, header.liquid, or JavaScript files, review those changes carefully. Even a small syntax error can stop the mobile menu from functioning properly. If you created a backup before editing, you can compare your current version with the backup or restore the previous version if needed. You should also make sure your theme is up to date. Theme developers frequently release updates that include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. If an update is available, review it and consider updating after creating a backup of your current theme. After making any changes, always test the menu on multiple devices if possible. Open your store on both Android and iPhone, or use your browser's responsive preview mode. Make sure the menu opens smoothly, all navigation links work correctly, and customers can easily browse your collections and products. If none of these steps solve the issue, contact your theme developer if you're using a third-party theme, or reach out to Shopify support for additional troubleshooting. Let them know which theme you're using, when the problem started, and whether you've recently installed any apps or modified your theme code. And that's it. That's how to fix a mobile menu that's not working on your Shopify theme. In most cases, checking your header settings, testing another theme, reviewing recent apps, and verifying recent code changes will quickly get your mobile navigation working again. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.